Acme Educational Publications. Number 1, Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Early Year Foundation Stage 2.
Welcome, young learners. Let's dive into some wordplay fun. Look at these pictures. Which ones have that cool EE sound? Take a moment to think, and when you're ready, let me know. Great job! The pictures with the EE sound are bee, feet, and sheep. High fives to everyone who got it right. Now let's put a big cross on the picture that doesn't have that sound. Ready? Cross out the teddy. Excellent! You're on fire. Now let's move to our next activity, completing words. Get ready to finish these words with flair. Complete the first word. Yes, you nailed it. It's B. Fantastic job. Now, on to the next one. Complete the word. Brilliant. See, it is. You're cruising through these words. Next up, complete the word. Absolutely right. It's feet. You're unstoppable. Let's keep the momentum going. Complete the word. Amazing! Sheep it is. You're acing this. 2 more to go. Complete the word. You've got it. Deep it is. One last word. Complete the word. Woohoo! Free is spot on. You've completed the word challenge with flying colors. Great job, little word wizard.
Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.